Hey, Brian from ReChargeable. Today we have a smart fruit juicer cup. It's portable, it's rechargeable, uh, great for like the office if you're on the road. So in the box we got a whole bunch of things. All right, so that is your smart fruit juice cup blender. So it comes in plastic. And then this is the set of instructions. And it also has oh, that's pretty cool. It's got like 50 smoothie recipes. So, comes with your USB power cable. Does not come with a charging block, so keep that in mind. And this little guy right here is a little cleaning brush that comes with it, which is pretty neat. Okay, so this is your blender. I'll give you a quick idea. I mean, it is pretty powerful. We had pre-washed this already. I recommend running some clean water through it. But you have it's hard to see, you have a red arrow and an arrow here. So my biggest fear was that when you were opening this, that this would be activated. So you can tell it won't turn on when this is disconnected. And why is it because it has a little magnet where that red arrow is. So if this little decal ever does come off, just keep in mind that little red arrow or that magnet has to line up with that purple little arrow here. It's kind of hard to see, but it's definitely there. And when you're connecting it, you'll see this change color, basically letting you know that you are lining that magnet back up again. If I have it screwed in there good. So see how the blinking light changed now? It's active. So this is a 2-lid cup. So you have like your locking lid on there, your filtering lid, and then that comes off. And I say I got some residual water leaking out, so we did pre-wash this. So that's a cup. So what we are going to do is basically make the smoothie ahead of time. And what I mean by that is for best operating performance, you want to start it inverted. And I'll show you what that is in a second. But in the meantime, we're going to get our smoothie assembled. We're going to use some fresh blueberries. And we're just going to cover the bottom of that lid there with that. Then we're going to use some fresh strawberries. Put that in there. Oh, that smells good already. That's your fresh strawberries. Then we're going to use some fresh banana slices. And we're going to put that in there as well. I feel like I want to sneak these. And then we're going to pour some milk in. And we're going to like fill it up to probably about, so it's about a cup of milk. Yeah, it's about we almost use about 8 ounces of milk in there. And so we're going to put this on, and we're going to make sure that little arrows are lined up so you can tell by the flashing light. And now you want to start it inverted. So basically start that button, and then you basically kind of like want to turn it over. So it is portable and rechargeable, so you just kind of like want to let it mix around a little bit. And we are basically done. And then we can use this, unscrew the top portion of this. And then you have your fruit smoothie. Oh, that tastes so good. But anyway, again, this is like great to have on the road. It's portable. I love the fact that you can recharge it. So you can bring it basically anywhere with you. Brian from ReChargeable. Thanks for watching and be safe out there.